Howdy! Which do you prefer, Wilton or Columbian?
Alright, apologies to Mr. Pete for those of you who have no idea what I was just doing there. Mr. Pete, aka Tubal Cain, aka America's Shop Teacher, just did a video a week or so ago in which he compared a Columbian machinist vise with a Wilton vise that is not like this one. It's the coveted bullet vise, of which I don't own an example, and unless I ever find one in my price range, I never will. But I just thought that was kind of funny. I'm easily amused. Yeah, this Wilton is the, it's pretty late model, Chinese-made one. You can see this is stamped steel. It's, I mean, it gets a lot of work done for me, but it's nothing special. This, on the other hand, I like very much. It's, I think it's just like the one that was in Mr. Pete's video. Very well made, not too badly abused, and a recent acquisition of mine. And I just wanted to show it before I got around to cleaning it up, so you can see what it started out like. And it was slightly disappointing to me when I picked it up from the guy. It was on Craigslist. It was up in Maryland. I'm down here in Virginia, and he advertised it as a 6-inch Columbian, and you can't tell when you're looking at a photograph. I was like, all right, 6-inch vise. I have a 6-inch Prentice, and that sucker, that's a big vise. It's 6 inches across here, and I have to take it apart in order to move it around, and I still practically give myself a hernia. It's a big vise. Now this, that's a 4-inch vise. He was measuring how far the jaws spread in his estimation. And I mean, it's still a really cool vise. I wasn't willing to give him what we had agreed on when I thought it was a 6-inch vise. He basically cut it in half. The funny thing is, I since have seen some advertisements actually where they describe a vise like this one as a 6-inch vise. So I guess there's precedent for what he did. I thought it was a mistake on his part, but to me, a 6-inch vise has 6-inch width to it, to the jaws. Anyway, so I got a 4-inch vise, what I call a 4-inch vise, and it's pretty cool. So just wanted to show it now. I mean, and you can see just the quality difference between the way this was built. It's a cast piece. It's been machined. This is unless it's tightened down, the jaw is just loosey goosey. This one, nope. It's a machined piece. It's a really nice vise. So I'm very happy to have it.